Afternoon, Agent Energy Carbon Clean. We're still in Newark, third one of the day. We've got this Seat Leon 2 litre diesel, 2014 model, 127,000 on the clock. Now this one, say again, booked in as part of a multi-vehicle, get the discount. 2 codes in it when we got on it. One that was 20,000 miles ago to do with the engine ECU. An issue there with the processor briefly. It's only happened once, and that was back in June 2018. We've cleared that. That's not reappeared. There has been a tow bar fitted on this, so I don't think it's been coded in properly. There's a code in there from the gateway saying that there's an error on that. It all appears to be working fine, but I said in terms of the coding, I don't think that's been coded in right. Otherwise, it's running very sweetly. That cylinder correction has kind of trimmed in as we've been doing the clean. All the temperatures are exactly where they should be. DPF data we generated within the last 300 miles. Everything looks spot on this. Again, just needs a clean up on this one. Pretty much done now, nice and crisp compared to when it pulled onto the drive. Yeah, running beautifully. Just need to keep an eye in the future, see if that engine ECU code ever reappears. But it's not done it for the last 20,000 miles, so hopefully that won't reappear anytime soon. Get this back out on the road in a couple of minutes, and then on to a very nice Audi A5 3 litre.